Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is sky blue color, pink color, red color, green color, parrot color, yellow color, purple color, and the last one is orange color. Now let's color the cake.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
How many cakes can you see here? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 cakes.